Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Our Rehydra-Bead and Rehydra-Sheet. Professional grade concentrated products. I'm going to show you how to use them properly today so you can get the most out of them. These cans should last you a long time, super concentrated. So grab 2 microfibers, put a nice dry plush one to the side, and take the purple one here, run it under the tap. Make it completely wet and just wring it out so it's really damp but not dripping wet. All right, we have both of our microfibers ready. Let's head out into the shop. Let's put the dry microfiber to the side, but within arm's reach so we can grab it quickly. The damp one, we're going to grab our product, either bead or sheet, and just mist it, just like this, into that damp microfiber. You use any more than this, it's going to be too much. These 2 bottles, again, should go a long way for you. And we can apply to a huge portion of the panel. Half of this hood, it's more than enough to cover half of this hood evenly, just as the way I'm doing it here. We'll put that damp microfiber with a little bit of the product in it to the side, grab the dry one, and we'll buff to perfection. Okay, let me put the microfiber down. I'll come over and grab you as quick as I can, bring you in. We're going to see no streaking whatsoever, no hazing, and that's exactly how it should be. If you see streaking or hazing, you're simply using too much. If need be, you can't get a hold of the mist concept. Just cut the product 1-to-1 and you'll be perfectly fine, but then apply every 2 months instead of every 4 months because it will be quite diluted by then. Let me show you this first person to show you exactly what we're doing here and the results. And again, the results, absolutely no hazing or streaking. If there is a little bit of hazing, that will clear up. Give the polymers a chance to link up or join elbows, so to speak, and form that layer protection over the surface, and it will clear up perfectly. Just give it some time. This can be used on all hard surfaces, painted surfaces, plastic, stainless, steel, aluminum, black piano finish, plastic trim, all of it. Let's hop on over to the test panel. We'll apply these in their designated areas. And again, I'll show you how to do it. Just a quick mist into the damp microfiber. 2 damp microfibers so we're not cross-contaminating. We will apply evenly, dry, and there will be no streaking or hazing. Quick tip, if you have forgotten and you made the mistake of applying too much of the product in one area and you do have some streaking or high spots, grab a wet microfiber and just gently go over the area and follow up with the dry microfiber and you'll find it has cleared up perfectly, leaving the sealant behind. And you can move on. These toppers can be used on their own or as toppers to put on top of a wax sealant or coating, absolutely any protectant at all. And what I was looking for was something super concentrated, nothing watered down where we had to use half a gallon of it on the surface just to get some product on there. And that's exactly what we have here. But that means you can also then apply too much, and that's why I'm showing you this video. So when it comes to gloss, the gloss will increase as time goes by. There is no cure process. You don't need to wait. But as you do let the product dwell on the surface, it will get glossier and slicker. The slickness is off the charts. I love the feeling of the sealant. They both feel like silk on the surface. They'll give you high gloss, clarity, and reflectivity. And the hydrophobics are, well, we're going to see those shortly. We're going to go outside. But right there's a little example of the slickness. All right, let's have some fun. Let me show you the characteristics of each sealant. We have sheet on the right, and that's the one right here. And you need to remember, for any sheeting product out there, the product needs to be flooded. The panel needs to be flooded for it to sheet. That's how they work. Anything less, you're going to have crazy beading, just like the product to the left of it, and that's right here, bead. This is exactly how this one behaves. There will be short-term and long-term satisfaction. The short-term, the slickness, the feel, the gloss. Long-term, your car will stay cleaner longer, especially if you're using sheet. And you do need to apply the product and let it do its job to gain the most enjoyment out of these products. Again, let's just quick go over it. 2 microfibers, take one of them, make it damp, head on over to the car with the microfibers, put the damp one in your hand, put the dry one to the side, and just mist, just like this, into the damp microfiber and apply evenly. Take your dry microfiber, buff to perfection, enjoy the results. You'll be around the car quickly, and you can enjoy the day in your vehicle, driving around, showing it off instead of just working on it. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'll catch you in the next video. By the way, I will have a special on bead and sheet for the next week for you guys, so you can pick it up, maybe pick both of them up, enjoy them as I do on a daily basis.